Hello good people, this is Shankar from Music Production Hub. Today we are going to unbox the Edge Solo microphone from Antelope. This microphone came as free with the discrete synergy core. The microphone comes with a nice and sturdy flight case. Let's unbox the microphone. There is a tag comes with this flight case which provides information about the manufacturer. It's Electrosfera Limited, Sofia, Bulgaria, and it's been imported by Beatbox Entertainment, New Delhi. The maximum retail price for the product is 65,399 rupees, but it comes as free with the discrete synergy core. Next, there is a getting started card. By scanning the provided QR code, you can go to the product page. Let's take the microphone out from the cover. Antelope has provided a sturdy package for this. It's a gorgeous looking microphone. You can see the edge terminated gold sputtered diaphragm here. The specialty of the Antelope Edge Solo is it can model professional high-end microphones. You can use this microphone with Antelope interfaces which has mic modeling. Antelope also provides a mic modeling in the popular plugin formats like VST, Audio Units and AX. So users with the third-party interfaces can also enjoy the mic emulations. The Edge Solo is similar to a normal microphone. You can see the 3-pin gold-plated XLR connection. This microphone has a flat frequency response of 20Hz to 20 kHz. Edge Solo is a cardioid-only microphone. Currently, Antelope provides 18 different microphone emulations for the Edge Solo. Let's connect the microphone using the provided clip. Third-party shock mounts are also available for the Edge Solo. The clip is sturdy and feels good in quality. There is an adapter provided here. You can use or remove this adapter depending upon your microphone stand. Now I am connecting this to a small desktop tripod stand. I am removing this adapter. Let's connect an XLR cable. To use the microphone with the mic emulations, we have to activate the microphone into our Antelope account. Let's go to the Antelope web page and enter the login credentials. Click on the Activate New Device. Select the Edge Solo microphone from the list. I already mentioned about the tag which comes with the microphone carrying case. Opposite side of the tag has a serial number for the product. Enter the Edge Solo serial number here and click Activate Device. The microphone has been successfully activated to our Antelope account. Now we have to activate this on our Antelope interface. On the Antelope launcher, enter the login credentials. Click on the Manage Device button. Select the Activate Device or Assign Features and click Continue. Select the Edge Solo microphone emulations and click Continue. Yes, we have successfully activated the mic emulations to our interface. It will restart automatically. Start the discrete synergy core. Click the power button here. Click on the icon here to start the emulations. Rotate this microphone selection knob to Edge Solo. Here you can select the different microphone emulations. We can see some industry standard microphones like Neumann U67, U87, Neumann TLM103, etc. So altogether this is a nice microphone emulation package. As mentioned earlier, you can use these microphone emulations as plugins within your DAW. The Edge Solo microphone also works well without any emulations. You can use this microphone with any other audio interface or preamp. Okay, this was a quick unboxing and activation of Antelope Edge Solo microphone. I hope this video was informative. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.